Hello guys. It's time check at 6:37 in the morning here in the Philippines. This is Maher Montes. Actually, what I do with my motorcycle. Actually, this is a motorcycle in the Philippines, but this is only a motorbike here in America. But I try to warm it up every morning. So like 30 minutes, I have to warm it up before I use it the whole day. Well, anyway, I already got my driver's license, Philippines driver's license, man. So what they did is just to convert my California driver's license into a Philippine driver's license, and also I got a Philippine driver's license that was expired 12 years ago. Well, in that case, it really helps me a lot with that thing. So now one of my issues right now is I still have to wait for a registration on this motorcycle. Well, I got this motorcycle last Saturday, so tomorrow is gonna be already got it for like 1 week now, so almost 1 week for like tomorrow. So like 30 days. That's what they told me. So I'm gonna try to follow up the papers for later. There you go. So I'm gonna start it like I'm gonna warm it up for like 20 minutes or like less than 30 minutes. That's it, just to let it run for a bit, and just follow me, and thank you so much for your support, guys. Well, anyway, my other Facebook account, I cannot sign in back, so I'll wait until I fix it. Have a great day. Shout out pala sa mga bago pong followers. Just continue to support my YouTube channel. I still have to take out everything. I've been here for like last Friday, so I'm still trying to set up everything. I already got my driver's license. I'm so glad. And yeah, for those people I met at the bus, I'm trying to I forgot your name, guys. Please comment down below on my videos, and so that for the next time I can shout out your name on my downloads.